Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix if your Instagram user is not found. So there are two different things that you might be wondering. One is that you are maybe you are temporarily disabled your account, and then you want to come back and it says user not found, and then another one is you're just on Instagram and you trying to find someone, and if says user not found, so first user will be cover the second one, and if you go into the search and you are no searching for somebody and it says that sorry, that user is not found, maybe this user blocked you from their account. Or another reason, maybe you blocked this user, um, and we have it on blacklist, and then just unblock this user and this all reasons for this problem. This is all for today. Goodbye.